Hello guys, welcome back. Now let's practice more and more questions of journal. Let's move to the third question of the journal in lab. Okay, so let me show you the question. So let's take your question. Okay, so here it is. Pause this video and write down, hold the question, and please, without my telling, please try to do solutions yourself. Now pause this video. I'm waiting for you. Now I hope that you have all written the notes. Okay, so these all questions I made you to do in the theory. Okay, so those who had not done, I have told for them. Now just check the solutions with your answers. Okay, now pause this video and check the solutions. Okay, so let's move to the lab. Okay, now let's create after creating company. Now let's create account. Okay, just going to the account info, just going to the ledgers. Okay, so here pause this video, and so as it is fourth question, so as we have passed three questions. Okay, so now try to do yourself. Okay, and if any problem still persist, re-back see the videos. Okay, so those who don't know to create ledger accounts, okay, before passing journal entry, in I button and a video will be appearing of how to pass journal to pass ledger, or it will be in the description box as I said, or it is in my channel, okay, in the name ledger creation. So let's see after creating accounts. Okay, I hope that all you have done your work. Now let's recheck. Okay, going to the all items, there will be 17 accounts. Bank. Okay, just recheck in your system. Machinery. Okay. Okay, now kindly say students what to do next. Yes, do pass journal entry by pressing V in your keyboard and accounting voucher. Okay, now pause this video and pass this journal entry yourself. Okay, practice makes a man perfect. Remember that. Those who don't know to pass the journal entry, and video will be showing in the I button over here. Just go and see how to pass journal entry. Okay, or if not, in the description box, if not in the channel. Okay, don't make me to tell again and again. Okay, so please pause this video. Okay. Okay, so I have passed all the accounts and I am doing with you. So after passing accounts, just in gateway of tally, go to display. In display, go to daybook. In daybook, it will be showing only less accounts. Press alt plus F1 for detailed, and then press alt plus F2 for period. Type from and to date. In from we have to write the starting date. In to we have to write the end date. Okay, 31st 12 is it. Okay, so all accounts are been seeing here, but if you want narrations too, then just go to configure, then yes. Okay, so everything is set. Just kindly recheck the solutions, and if any mistake you have done, then just go to the journal entry which you want to rectify, then press enter. Okay, here you can and after coming to this window, just press Ctrl plus enter, or press just enter. Okay, so here you can just alter. This is how you made this is how we practice. Okay, now in next class we will do the last and final question in lab, the fifth question. Okay, thank you, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share to your friends maximum. Okay.
With